Hot girl, hot girl, hot girl. If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Keandraahzhane, and as y'all read by that title, I'm going to be reviewing this wig that was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair on Amazon. Super duper affordable, y'all. 16-inch body wave unit with bangs, of course. And this wig is 100% glueless. Look at her, like silky, soft. This wig did not come with any combs whatsoever, y'all, but I didn't mind that at all. I never use the combs that come on the wigs anyway. I feel like they hurt in my opinion and they pull your hair out, but that's just me, so I really don't mind that, and it will still fit fairly snug. I just put the little adjustable band in the back on the tightest it can go, and they also include an extra adjustable band in here, kind of like that bra type design. So yes, they include that in there, as well as some wig caps. But yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna be showing y'all how I styled it. Like I said, it was really nothing to it at all. I put some flat iron curls in this hair. I'm also gonna be flat ironing it now, as you guys see, for the bang. And I love how they did this wig, how they constructed it. The bang was not thick at all, y'all. I don't know if y'all have seen girls with bangs and they just look really dense and thick. I really don't like that look personally. So I love how they constructed the bangs on this wig. They're very thin and like realistic looking. Like they look like some real bangs. You know, if like I was to cut my hair into some bangs or something like that. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. So yeah, now I'm just going in with the flat iron again to do some flat iron curls. Super easy, y'all. This took me probably less than 20 minutes. Definitely less than 20 minutes. And this is one of my like shortest videos, y'all, because the wig was just literally, it was just so easy, y'all, just to install and do it, especially with me not having to really glue the wig down. Like the install process took seconds, literally. Y'all saw me pop it on my head. So yeah, I'm just gonna run these through there. You guys can keep the hair as is, wear it as is, or style it with some headbands, as y'all will see me doing this video, because Beauty Forever also sent me some headbands they have available on their Amazon store, which was really nice of them. And the headbands are bomb, y'all will see them pretty soon. But yeah, I think this hair is super duper cute. I'm also going to be going in, y'all, and actually thinning out the sides of the hair just a little bit more. Like I said, I did like how they constructed these bangs, don't get me wrong, but I did want more. I wouldn't say like, not no layers or nothing like that, but y'all know the little side pieces of hair that be kind of shorter. So I'm just using my razor to do that. And yeah, I'm just going to let y'all watch me kind of just razor down this hair. Definitely going on an angle because I don't want it to be like a blunt cut or anything. So yeah, I did that. Put a little bit more heat on those pieces. And now I'm going to be ready to show you guys the actual headbands that they sent me. Which, thank you so much, Beauty Forever Hair, for sending me over the unit and the headbands. I really loved working with this hair. I really appreciate you guys. So here are the headbands here, y'all. Came in their own little packaging with the Beauty Forever sticker on there, telling you how to look these headbands up, basically. And as y'all can see, they're super stretchy. The fabric is super breathable. They say that you can wear these headbands doing yoga, working out, whatever, sweating, or I would just wear them to be cute. And as y'all see, they do have buttons on them. Y'all know with this whole corona thing going around, I don't even know if I should say the word in the freaking video, because it's just a lot of controversy and stuff like that. But yeah, when it comes down to it, I think this headband is really nice for the mask, no matter how I feel about them. But yeah, they help in having your mask on without it being so harsh on your ears. Because y'all know, like, especially if you work in the medical field and how they've mandated these masks and made them so mandatory, it just helps your ears get a break, basically, is what I'm trying to say. I know my mom works in the medical field, and she had been talking about these headbands and saying that nurses were actually hopping on the trend of the buttons on the side of their headbands. So yeah, this definitely is nice for that. However, I would also just wear them alone, plain. I think they're really cute. Even if you were doing something other, like wearing something other than a wig and just had like a ponytail or something like that, these are really cute, stretchy, breathable. and they came in a lot of fun patterns, and you get 6 of them in this pack. So yeah, I will have those linked in the description box, as well as this unit. Again, thank you Beauty Forever Hair for collaborating with me on this video and sending me over this unit and these headbands. Really appreciate you guys. And like I said, I will have everything in the description box for y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Show me some love, kiss me some hug. I never had to let you go to the club with your boys, baby.